Today's lesson essential question is how can you find the value of a group of hundreds? So today we're going to be looking for the value in groups of hundreds. This is 100. 100 is made out of 10 tens. Let's look at that a little deeper. So 100 is made out of 100 ones. It also can be made out of 10 tens. If we had 10 100s, we would have 1,000. We can count by hundreds to get to 1,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 10 100s equals 1,000. If I were to represent 1,000 using my place value blocks, it would look like this. We're going to count by hundreds to find a value. So here I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So my total is 900. Another way I could do that is I can count how many hundreds I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And since they're hundreds and 100 has 2 zeros, we're going to give it 2 zeros. Try this one on your own. All right, now let's do it together. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So my total is 600. You're going to be practicing finding the value of a group of hundreds today. You're working in topic 9, and that's in your volume 2 book. So you need your volume 2 book. This is not the same one you used last week. This is the other one, volume 2.